scratch tag. The echo fades, footsteps gone. The day unmade, this lobby's quiet, hushed and deep. A concrete giant start to sleep. But here I stand, a silent green, still on shift. A living scene, the elevator dings for no one now. A hollow sound, I don't know how to feel the shift. The air so still, the revolving door, its size, its fill. Oh, lobby, fern and fading light. Everyone went home tonight, and the light went less, a slow retreat. I'm the only thing still dressed oh so neat, in this brass planter by the marble wall, watching shadows rise and fall. A cleaning cart begins to glide across the floor, nowhere to hide from slow beat drips, a steady sound, water pooling on the ground, each drop a pulse, a gentle beat, keeping time with tired feet. The elevator dings for no one now, a hollow sound, I don't know how to feel the shift. The air so still, the revolving door, its size, its fill. Oh, lobby, fern and fading light. Everyone went home tonight, and the light went less, a slow retreat. I'm the only thing still dressed oh so neat, in this brass planter by the marble wall, watching shadows rise and fall. This tower hums a lonely tune beneath the sliver of the moon. I absorb the quiet, the vast expanse, a solitary, silent dance feeling. Fern, the light turns blue from vending screens, a cooler hue. One gold front drops a final sigh. Everyone went home tonight, and so did I, in this brass planter by the marble wall, watching shadows rise and fall. The light goes thin, a fading gleam, lost inside a waking dream. I stay right here, a rooted soul, as the building hums and takes its toll alone. Oh.